It's Amy Dabo, your Norwex independent consultant. I was inspired to make this video because of the situation I'm currently in. So I'm getting ready to do laundry. It's laundry day every day here. And what I'm going to be washing today is a lot of like sweaty sports clothes, some uniforms, some things with grass stains on them where my son thought it was snowy out. It was really muddy and grassy, and so we have some big messes to deal with today. So we have two different laundry detergents. So we have the powdered laundry detergent, which is our UPP Ultra Power Plus, and this is my great like everyday laundry detergent. The great thing about this is it's ultra concentrated. There's no fillers in it, no harmful ingredients, no phthalates, phosphates, SLS, SLES, no animal testing. It's organic. This is a rock star in my laundry room. And when I use this, I literally use a teaspoon per load. So I get about 400 plus loads of laundry from one bag. So it lasts me about 6 months. Now I'm getting ready to do laundry and I've got all those kid issues to deal with. And I could use my Ultra Power Plus. That's, you know, my go-to the majority of the time. But today, I can smell the laundry from the other room. There's so much sweat and just kid junk, right? A lot of sports clothes. So today I'm going to use my liquid laundry detergent by Norwex. And this is an enzyme-based product. Enzymes are proteins that act as catalysts to break down organic matter. So think anything organic, the sweat, poo from baby diapers, anything earthy, mud, grass stains, stuff like that. This is just amazing at getting all of that out. I do have a high efficiency, as I mentioned before. And when you're using this in a high efficiency, you just need one pump per load. So you get 217 loads out of one little tiny bottle. So I always put it in the washing machine first, and then I'll add my clothes. Now, some of the clothes that I'm adding to this load, they are sports, uniforms and things like that. And there's some bright colors in addition to all the nasty stuff. There's bright colors. So I want to use a teeny tiny bit of my Ultra Power Plus, which since I did put the liquid in there, I'll probably just do maybe a half a teaspoon. And then I'm going to add my clothes. So that's going to help with brightening the brights. And there's a lot of things that have white and like a bright blue. So I want to brighten those colors up. And I never get bleeding or anything. It's just fantastic. So wish me luck. I'm on my laundry journey for the day. It happens every day here. Have a great day and I'll see you guys soon.